One of the common situation in a street fight is a push or grab. Hi guys, this is Ishan Bhosle, self-defense instructor from Hybrid Warrior Academy. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to defend when someone tries to push you. It can be with single hand, double hand or grab. So it can be followed by a punch. So the most important thing is you have to evade or defend the grab first. Don't get caught or don't get touched by the person. So the moment you feel the person is about to grab, you deflect his hand away. Don't allow him to grab you. So this can be in a form of push, grab, whatever. Okay? Or it can be even a straight punch. So as you notice, you move out of the line of attack, take your head out of the line of attack, take your body as well and deflect the hand away. Immediately after that, you have to counter attack. The counter attack can be the punch, or you can go behind the person or grab and take him down. So for example, if he's punching, I deflect and then I counter punch. Or if I want to apply a takedown, I want to take the person down, I can deflect, I can go behind him, grab his head, bang on the floor. From here, you can smash his head, okay, and then you can run away. Okay, so you come this side, I'll show you from this angle. Okay, so as he's coming, deflect, grab, bang, get up. If I want to go for punches or kicks, so as he's punching, 1, 2, kick between, take him down again, smash and run away. So if you want to go for a joint lock, so as he's punching, you punch him, counter attack, so he's distracted. Simultaneously, you have to make sure that you are holding his hand. Because if you leave his hand, okay, if I leave his hand away like this, so again he can go away or he can counter me, or if he's punching, it goes away, then I have to go behind it again to grab the hand. So the moment he grabs, as you're parrying, the parry should be very light. At the same time, you hold it. Don't just deflect it like this. So as he's punching, I keep the connection. From here, when I'm countering, I'm still connected, I'm going inside. So I'm not just punching from here. I'm going inside, I'm connecting with the person. Going in, countering. So it can be single punch, double punch, plus it can be hammer fist, whatever. Now once he's distracted, once he's hurt, he's not able to resist. Then I grab his arm and then break the elbow. Okay? Or if I want to control, I just apply joint lock. I take him down like this on the floor. Okay? I take him completely down on the floor and control him. He's in control. Same technique can be applied against knife attacks. So if he's coming from down like this, so as the action comes, I move out. Your principle is the same. You need to move out of the line of attack and control the arm. So as he's coming, I move out, then I break, take him down again. Pause. So as he's coming to stab, you need to move out first. Okay. So simultaneously, what you do is parry. Now parry, what we did earlier was the parry against the straight punch. So parry is deflection. So I can do parry at the lower level also. As he's stabbing, I can move out and dive out of parry. Okay, simultaneously I am grabbing the hand. So further what I can do is I can apply joint lock, so I can go for blade reversals as it's coming. I can grab and break the elbow, or I can grab, break the elbow, then I go for blade reversal, which is I am stabbing him with his blade only. Okay, this is what you can do. Or further you can go for other joint lock. So as he's stabbing, attack, and then twist. You twist the elbow, twist the wrist. Then you can take the knife out and cut him if you want. Further, if I want to control the person, again he's in control. Stab, control. If I want to take him down, again he's on the floor. So there are a lot of options that can be done further. So if I want to do again a wrist joint lock against a punch, so it can straight punch, parry, counter. Now once he's hurt, if you feel he's not hurt, attack him again. Attack till he's not able to resist. So once you get the rest, then you grab it, then you twist it, then you take him down. Then again control, then trap his neck, trap his elbow. Again if you want to attack, punch, break the ribs from here. Many things can be done. So important thing is don't get hit. evade. As he's punching, move out. If it is a roundhouse attack also, so as he's coming round, so you move out. Don't get hit. So later on you can go inside and counter attack. So important is don't get hit. Move out. Move out of the line of attack. If you like the technique, if you feel that you learned something, please click on the like button, subscribe the channel, and please share with your friends. Thank you.